Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on call recording on your iPhone. First, it's important to note that iPhones don't have a built-in call recording feature due to privacy laws. But don't worry, there are safe and legal ways to record calls using apps or external methods. One popular option is the Google Voice app. Download and set up Google Voice, then enable call recording in its settings. You can record incoming calls by pressing 4 on your keypad during the call. Another option is third-party apps like Tape a Call or Call Recorder. In Call, download the app, follow the setup instructions, and you'll be able to record incoming and outgoing calls. Always check that the app supports your iPhone model and iOS version. If you want a free method, you can also use speakerphone with another recording device, like a voice memo app on a second phone. Finally, remember to follow local laws. Many countries and U.S. states require consent from both parties before recording a call. Make sure you have permission before starting any recording. And that's it. Now you know how to safely turn on call recording on your iPhone using apps or alternative methods. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.